Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the mapping plugin and API key ready, because plugins control live tiles and interactions. Open your Figma file and create a frame sized to your layout. This makes placement predictable. Once done, draw a rectangle and name it Live Map so the plugin can target it automatically. Make sure to set the rectangle's fill to none. The plugin will replace it with dynamic map layers. This first step speeds up later adjustments and avoids layout jumps when the live map loads. Next, open the plugin and paste your API key into its settings. This authorizes live tiles and vector data. Choose a map style, satellite or streets, because style affects readability and file size. Then set the center coordinates and an integer zoom level so the map appears where you expect. After that, add overlays like markers or pop-ups. These are what make the map interactive. Once configured, preview the map in Figma to verify scale, contrast, and that layers align with your design system. To finish, lock the map layer and turn the map into a component for reuse, which preserves settings and enables responsive resizing. Then run a prototype test to confirm interactions and animations behave as expected. If the map fails to render, check your API quota and open the browser console for network errors. Those point to cores or key problems. Make sure coordinates are in latitude, longitude order, and that the plugin's URL template matches the provider. Fixing those usually resolves tile loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.